Luton property market, airport growth and investment potential. Let's talk about Luton. Yes, Luton. Not the first place you'd name at a pub quiz about hot UK investment spots. Over the past couple of years, I've seen a surprising uptick in interest from investors and first-time buyers alike, and it's not just a fluke. This town, once just known for Vauxhall and being a quick train ride from London, is stepping into a new spotlight thanks to one very loud, very fast-growing neighbor, Luton Airport. Now here's where it gets juicy. Luton Airport isn't just expanding. It's practically bursting at the seams. Passenger numbers are up, routes are growing, and the council's been backing major regeneration around it. Think more jobs, more visitors, more demand for rental properties. I had a landlord client who bought a two-bed flat near the airport in 2019, paid $180K, now it's worth $240K, and he's barely lifted a paintbrush. Not bad, right? And that's the thing. While parts of London and the southeast have cooled slightly, thanks to mortgage rates doing the hokey-cokey, Luton's still got this energy. There's that commuter belt magic, fast trains to St. Pancras in under 30 minutes, but with prices that still feel like 2015. Honestly, you can snag a 3-bed terrace for the price of a Zone 3 studio. Madness. But it's not just price, it's what's coming. Have you seen the plans for the DART rail link? Fully automated, linking the airport to Luton Parkway Station in minutes. That's infrastructure gold, and investors love that. I mean, I had a buyer from Leeds ring me last week. Said he was looking for anywhere with good yields and upcoming infrastructure. Guess where he ended up putting in an offer? Here's what I tell my clients now. Short-term lets near the airport? Big potential. Business travelers and holidaymakers don't always want hotels. Buy to let for commuters? Still solid. Good schools. Improving high street. New build developments popping up like daisies. Flips? Sure, if you know what you're doing. Older stock still goes cheap if you dig around. Oh, and don't ignore the student market. University of Bedfordshire isn't Oxford, sure, but it pulls in enough students to make HMOs viable. One of my mates converted a 4-bed semi. It now nets him £1,100 profit a month, after mortgage and maintenance. Not too shabby. But wait, what about demand? Isn't everyone just holding off right now? Well, not quite. We're seeing motivated buyers, people who've been priced out elsewhere or want to lock in before rates creep again. And sellers? Some are nervous, yes, but that opens up room for negotiation. Win-win if you play it right. One caveat though, not every part of Luton is gold dust. Marsh Farm? Bit hit and miss. Stopsley? Lovely, very family-friendly. Berry Park? Amazing for cultural vibrancy, but you'll want to know your tenant profile. To sum it all up, but not really summing up because let's face it, this convo could go on all day. If I were starting my portfolio from scratch today, Luton would be in my top 3, no question. If someone had told me this 10 years ago, I'd have laughed. But now, I'm telling you, keep an eye on Luton, or better yet, book that viewing.